Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about string handling functions. So these functions are used to perform different types of operations on strings. Okay, so in C language there are different types of built-in functions to perform operations on strings. So these are all built-in functions. Built-in functions means predefined functions. Okay, so the function is already defined, you can use those functions. Okay, so the built-in functions can be used by including string.h file at the beginning of the program. So here string.h is a header file. It contains all the declarations and definitions of these built-in functions. Okay, so here some of the string handling functions are string length, string lower, string upper, string reverse, string copy, string comparison and string concatenation. So these are the very important string handling functions. Let's see one by one. The first one is string length. We all know what is string. String is nothing but collection of characters. So here A is one character, N is one character, A is one character. So this collection of characters are known as string. Okay, strings are represented in double quotations. Okay, so the string length function is used to find the length of the string and return an integer by excluding the null characters. Okay, so here Anantapur. Okay, so in this Anantapur it is used to calculate length. So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here the length of string is 9. Okay, so string length is used to find out the length of the string. So how many characters in the string excluding the null characters. Okay, the next one is, so here the program for calculating the string length. So here hash include stdio.h is a header file and hash include string.h. So here we are including the string.h header file because here we are performing string length operation. So it is a built-in operation. Okay, so next I am taking one string variable. Okay, so in the last class I have discussed about how to declare string variable. So char string 1. So here string 1 is string name and 20 is size of string. So here string is used to store elements in a continuous memory location. Okay, 20 memory locations are allocated and we are storing in this way. Okay, so printf length of string 1 when maximum length is 25. So here we taken the length of string is 20, but we are calculating string length from 0 to 25. Okay, so it returns the number of characters in the string. So total number of characters are 17. Okay, when you take 25 length, so you need to calculate the number of characters on the memory locations. Okay, so it returns 17. So the next one is length of string 1 when maximum length is 5. So we are calculating only 5 memory locations. So how many characters are there in 5 memory locations? So total 5 characters are there. So that will be written. So first one takes 25 memory locations. So in 25 memory locations we store only 17 characters. In 5 memory locations we store only 5 characters. Okay, that will be displayed. Okay, so here length of string will be calculated by using string length. The next function is string lower. So here string lower function is used to convert all the characters into lowercase letters. All the characters in the string into lowercase letters. Okay, so this is also one built-in function in string.h. So for built-in functions, no need to specify the function. Okay, no need to specify the task. The task for these functions are already defined, so that's why these are known as built-in functions. Okay, so here I am taking char data type and the string name is yes, and I am storing 10 characters. Okay, so memory is allocated like this and the data is stored in those memory locations. Okay, so next, string lower of, so we are calculating for string yes. So string name is yes. So here the name of the string, it will return lowercase for this data. Okay, whatever the string, that will be converted into lowercase. Let's see the example. So here we taken two header files. The first one is for input output operations and the second one is for string operations. Okay, for string functions. Int main. So main is the main method. Next I am taking one string variable that is yes of 10 and I am storing Durga. Okay, so 10 memory locations are allocated, but in 5 memory locations data is stored. Okay, so in all other 0 will be stored. Okay, printf percentage yes. Why we are using percentage yes? Because it is a string variable, so that's why percentage yes, string lower of yes. So this is string name, so in this yes Durga will be stored, so that will be used to convert it into lower type. Okay, lowercase letters. String lower is used to convert the data into lowercase letter. So this is the output. Okay, so next, string upper. Okay, so the lower is used to convert the string into lowercase. So it is opposite, converts the characters into uppercase letters. So char s of 10 Anantapur. So Anantapur will be converted into uppercase letters. Okay, strupr, string upper. So you need to use like this. Okay, these are the built-in functions. Okay, next, this is the program. So here I am taken one string variable. Okay, so data will be stored and I am converting this data into uppercase letter by using strupr and I am giving string name that is s. So whatever in the string variable, that will be converted into uppercase letter. So Durga will be converted into uppercase letter. Okay, the next function is string reverse, strev. So this function converts the given string into reversible format. So in the string I am storing Anantapur. So by using strrev I am reversing the string. So Anantapur will be displayed like this. Okay, so if you want to reverse one string, you need to use strrev. In the parenthesis you need to give the string name, so whatever you want to reverse. Okay, so the next one is strcpy, string copy. So this function is used to copy the content of one string to another string. It takes two strings as parameters, destination string and source string. Okay, so here I am taking two string variables. Okay, the one is yes and another one is s2. Okay, so in s I am storing the data Anantapur and I am taking one more s2. Okay, so and I am not storing anything in s2. Next, string cpy, sorry, here strcpy, string copy of s2 comma s1. So whatever in the S1, that will be copied to S2. Okay, so if you display the content in S2, so Anantapur will be displayed. So at the first we are not store anything in the S2, but we are copying whatever in the S1 into S2 by using strcpy, string copy. Okay, the next one is string cmp, comparison. Okay, so this function takes two arguments and strings to return a number. Okay, so string comparison is nothing but comparing two strings. So it will take two strings and return a number. Okay, so the function compares two string character by character based on ASCII values. Okay, so based on ASCII values it will compare two strings. So in ASCII values A is different, A is different. Okay, so it returns 0 if both strings are equal. It returns positive value, that means 1 if one string is greater than the second string. If the first string is greater than the second string, it will return 1. It returns negative value, that means minus value, if the second string is greater than the first string. Okay, so see the example. So here it contains two strings S1 and S2. So in S1 I am storing Anantapur and in S2 also I am storing Anantapur. So if we compare strcmp string 1 and string 2, it will return 0. Why 0? Because here string 1 and string 2 contain same values, same ASCII values. Okay, so in this way it returns 0. Okay, the last one is strcat, string concatenation. So concatenation is nothing but combining two strings into one string. Okay, so this function combines the given two strings into a single string. It takes two strings as arguments and result is stored in the first string. Okay, string concatenation is used to combine the two strings. So it needs two strings. So I am taking string 1 and string 2. The length is 10. In string 1 I am storing hello. In string 2 I am storing world. So string concatenation is used to combine two strings. So hello world is combined where it will be stored in the first string. Okay, so in the first string the hello world will be stored. Okay, the output is hello world. So by this the class is completed. So here the string handling functions are 7: string length, string lowest, string upper, string reverse, string copy, string comparison and string concatenation. If you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.